Hi, this is my presentation on my JavaScript games link. My name is Ron Yu, and I'm representing this presentation today. Have you ever wondered why websites are special? Well, I chose this project because it was required by my school and class to make this website. I was interested in this project because I see a lot of websites games on the internet with many games inside the link. Here's a link to my website right here. So this is how it works. I'll show that in a bit. So the learning process. I spent one whole semester in my freshman year of high school learning JavaScript. My whole class and I learned JavaScript using a website called P5JS and YouTube video tutorials. We learned how to make different applications like a snake game and how to use calculations and stuff like that, how to make a calculator work inside it, random number generator, and stuff like that with JavaScript. We then added a lot of projects inside, and for the inside projects, I added in a lot of projects that I liked and that I was proud of. Here are some: Pikachu game, array of objects, Mondarian art, moving circle, plain red box, picture of a car, HTML tags, bouncy ball, a lot of colorful circles, circle and cylinder, snake game, miles to kilometer calculator. I'll show you an example. So you just go here, you hit play, and then there's a lot of games or different applications. You go here, you hit play, and then you can play around. And then for array of objects, you hit play, and it's just random, I think. I don't really remember how to play it uses, but and then the Mondarian on it. We just made a lot of colors into one place and added this as a code. There's also different codes, but I'm not going to show that. And then there's a moving circle. Play. It just moves. You hit space, it restarts. And let's see what happens when it bounces off the wall. I guess it just disappears. Okay, and then here's a plain red box. Not that interesting, but it's just a plain red box. A picture of a car. Let's see. And then I also added this code. You can just you left click, it just resets, and you just draw whatever. And then that's not interesting. A bouncing ball. I think this one bounces back. Unlike the moving circle. Okay, that's what it does. I don't know what that line does. Here's a lot of colorful circles. Just back and forth. Circle and cylinder. Not that interesting, I think. Circle and cylinder. Move it around. There was a snake game. And yeah, you get the idea. And then we compiled projects by adding codes like this into a Replit website. You can get a better view of all the code on the website link. And then this website is just a bunch of websites with a bunch of my favorite JavaScript projects that I did in my semester of learning JavaScript. Thank you.